Okay, so today what we're making here is this lamb or lamb tibs with a spicy sauce called awazi. I will be trying to use my very limited Amharic, which is the national language of Ethiopia, to point out a few ingredients. Some of the words that I know, I don't know many. But yeah, this is a beautiful dry fry kind of, meat. You can use it beef as well. I'm using lamb today. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off by making the awazi sauce. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make awazi, which is a sauce, a spicy sauce with a base of Burberry powder. Now, there are many, many ways to make this. This is the version I'm going to do today. So I'm going to be using olive oil. Some people would use kibe or butter. I'm going to put some red wine in there, a little bit of lemon juice, Sanafich or mustard. Now, you probably can't get hold of Sanafich, so the nearest thing to that is English mustard. Sanafich is really quite strong, as in the same way English mustard is, so use English mustard. And then here, some alcohol. You can use vodka or gin. I've got a bit of gin there. In Ethiopia, they would use araki, which is some sort of fire water. But yeah, loads of different ways of making it, and you can really kind of eyeball it. So if you want more lemon, more oil, you know what I mean? You can just eyeball it up together. Simply, we're going to mix that together there. So very simply, let's get our hard alcohol in, like I say, gin or vodka or araki if you've got that. Lemon juice, in that goes, or lomi. Zait or olive oil. Sanafich or mustard. And then a little bit of red wine. Some people would also be putting garlic in here. I'm not doing that today. We're just going to mix this up and get it to a paste. And that's it, it's very simple. Well, this version is very, very simple. Okay, and there you go. You kind of want it, that kind of consistency. Now, we're going to be cooking with this today, but you can also use this, just as a little side dip. Sometimes with, things like gored, which is actually just raw meat. But yeah, it's a delicious little kind of spicy, alcoholic little side number. Okay, so you've just seen our awazi. I've got some lamb here, cut into nice thin strips. There's a few little kind of rib bones in there as well. Onions sliced. When you're making tibs, generally you use sliced onions. When you're making what? Like a stew, you use small onions cut really small. So shinkut or onions, siga or meat, awazi. Nesh shinkut, which means white onion, garlic. That's it. We're going to start this off with some olive oil, add a bit of salt. That's about it, I think. I mean, this is really sort of powerful, so we don't need to be adding any other chili or anything like that. Let's go. Okay, so you're going to need a kind of wok or a pan or something like that, like I've got. In there, I've got some olive oil. The oil is zait. We're going to drop in our meat or siga, our lamb. You can be doing this with beef as well, by the way. We're on a high heat, as you can hear. And what I want to first do is get the meat on the go, give it a nice head start. So high heat, just fry this around for about 5 or 6 minutes. Let's give a nice head start to our meat. We're now going to get our onions in there and our garlic and some salt. You could add a bit of black pepper to this if you want. But like I said, the awazi sauce that we've just made is very overpowering and very strong. So we're going to fry this around again. By the way, the word tibs just means to fry. Literally translated to fry. So we're going to fry this around, staying on this high heat for about another, maybe 5 or 6 minutes. Keep it moving. Okay, you can see our onions are really nicely cooked. Now, we're going to add the awazi, but don't add the awazi until you think your meat is nice and tender. So I'm pretty confident. And you can add as much or as little as you like. There's a couple of tablespoons there. Like I say, it's very strong, so that's going to be enough for me. And that's it. Just about another 60 seconds or so. I'll see you at the table. And there you go, job done. Nice little bits of lamb, very spicy with the awazi on. Beautiful. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. And amasaganalo. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. We're currently steaming ahead to actually reaching nearly 100 million views, which is fantastic. I think we've got over 3,000 uploads now. We've really been going at it since I think 2012 we started back in the day. But yeah, thanks so much for watching our videos. Please do give us a thumbs up. It really does help us out a great deal, and also leave a comment. We do like to hear from you. Now, what we've been up to, so lots going on. We're now based in Bahrain. We're here for a little while in the kitchen here, which is fantastic. We're having a great time. Kids are really enjoying themselves. We are cooking away at a rapid rate, trying to do this new series called Eating with Locals, where I want to go and eat with different, people from different nationalities and eat their food and have a little chat, see if I can learn something. Hoping this COVID thing's gonna shift. Don't know when it's going to happen, but maybe soon. If it does, I'm going to get back on the road. I want to get back on an aeroplane, as I'm sure many of you do as well, and get out there and sort of, see the sights, taste some food and meet some people. It would be fantastic if you would buy us a cup of coffee. Help us along with the channel. We're not funded in any way. We're self-funded. We don't endorse any products. There's a link down below. If you would like to buy me a coffee, a couple of dollars or whatever you want, just follow the link. That would be fantastic. That's about it. We're doing great, and we hope that you're doing fine, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.